Honorable Chief Guest and Honorable Guest of Honor, we will start the valedictory ceremony by 5:10 p.m.
A warm, pleasant, and delightful good evening to everyone. I, Shashwat Tripathi, Admin Head of the Advocates League, along with the co-moderator, Ms. Behak Wadhwani, Secretary of the Advocates League, proudly welcome you all to the valedictory ceremony of 3rd Justice Deepak Mishra International Moot Court Competition 2022-23, organized by the Advocates League. Advocates League is an ISSN-approved journal and a legal research initiative whose work is devoted in the field of legal research, publications, and organization of various certificate courses, several competitions, workshops, and webinars. We have a team of dedicated professionals aiming to bring about reform in the legal arena with invaluable contribution of legal research and team effort. Our team consists of students and alumni of various top colleges and universities of the country. We are blessed to have well reputed professors and practicing advocates as members of our editorial board. With a dedicated team and a mission to bring meaningful reform in legal education, we contribute ourselves to excellence. We also aim to provide better legal aid so that we can emancipate individuals from all kinds of hindrance in seeking access to justice. Advocates League has organized its flagship event, the third Justice Deepak Mishra International Moot Court Competition 2022-23 from 12th to 14th May 2023. For this competition, we are blessed to have His Excellency Honorable Mr. Justice Deepak Mishra, former Chief Justice of India, as the patron-in-chief of the organizing committee, and the competition is being held under his esteemed guidance. The competition was held with the aim of providing students with an opportunity to showcase their legal knowledge and skills, as well as network with other students and legal professionals. The final round was held on 14th May 2023 and adjudicated by a bench of 5 distinguished judges. The honorable judges who judged the final rounds were Advocate Shashank Kumar Sir, Advocate Supreme Court of India, Professor Shashank Shekhar Sir, Assistant Professor NLU Jodhpur, Mr. Arnold Zimba Sir, Candidate Attorney, Master of Law, South Africa, Mr. Samir Gupta Sir, Specialist Public International Law, Dr. Prashant Kumar Srivastava Sir, Assistant Professor, Sri Ram Swarup Memorial University. I now request Mr. Saket Verma to deliver the welcome address.
Good evening, everyone. On behalf of the Advocates League, it is indeed my humble pleasure to convey regards and extend a warm virtual welcome to our esteemed virtual guests, office holders of TEL, participants, and all attendees. In today's valedictory ceremony, we are blessed to have with us Lordship Honorable Mr. Swantekar Kumar Sir, former Judge, Supreme Court of India, as Chief Guest of the function. I heartily welcome you, Lordship, to the valedictory ceremony. We are also blessed to have Advocate Prashant Sir, Chief Standing Counsel UP and Co-Chairman of Bar Council of UP as guest of honor. We welcome you to this ceremony, sir. We are also delighted to have respected Vivek Narayan Sir, Advocate on record for Supreme Court of India and Senior Counsel for Union of India as guest of honor. We welcome you to this ceremony, sir. Thank you, sir. I now request Mr. Om Singhania, Organizing Secretary of 3rd Justice Deepak Mishra International Moot Court Competition, to give a report of this competition.
Thank you so much, sir. Good evening, Honorable Chief Justice, sir. Honorable Mr. Justice Swatantra Kumar, sir, former Judge, Supreme Court of India. Guest of honor, Advocate Prashad Singh Atal, sir, Chief Standing Counsel, Uttar Pradesh, Co-Chairman, Bar Council of UP, and Advocate Vivek Narayan Sharma, sir, Senior Counsel, Union of India. Other respected judges and participants. I, Om Singhania, Organizing Secretary of 3rd Justice Deepak Mishra International Moot Court Competition, am present before you all to present a report of the competition. The 3rd Justice Deepak Mishra International Moot Court Competition started with the launch of poster on December 7, 2022. The brochure of the competition was released on 6 February 2023 and the registration procedure started on the same day. The moot proposition was released on Feb 12, 2023. The competition received the participation from 40 teams belonging to different colleges across India, Nepal, and Sri Lanka, among which 32 teams have submitted their memorial and 26 teams made to the oral rounds of the competition. The competition was started with day 1 on 12th May 2023 with the inaugural ceremony in the presence of Sri Mr. Vivek Narayan Sharma Sir, Senior Counsel, Union of India, and Honorable Patron-in-Chief of the Advocates League as the chief guest for the ceremony. On the same day, the briefing for honorable judges and the teams took place, followed by the researcher test. The preliminary round and the octa round were held on the second day of the competition, which consisted of a single judge bench for preliminary rounds with 26 teams in total competing in 4 different rounds, followed by an octa final round in which top 16 teams qualified for the preliminary rounds have collided with each other in knockout proceedings before a division bench. On the third and the last date, the quarter-final, the semi-final, and the final round took place, starting with the quarter-final rounds, again with the division bench and 8 teams facing each other to qualify for the semi-final rounds, followed by a 3-judge bench in the semi-final rounds consisted of renowned advocates and academicians. The top 2 teams among 26 others made to the final rounds of the competition, which was judged by the constitutional bench comprising of Advocate Shashank Kuwar sir, Advocate Supreme Court of India, Professor Shashank Shekhar sir, Assistant Professor NLU Jodhpur, Mr. Arnold Mimba, Cabinet Attorney, Master of Law South Africa, Mr. Samir Gupta sir, Specialist, Public International Law UK, and Dr. Prashant Kumar Srivastava sir, Assistant Professor, Sri Ram Sarup Memorial University. During the entire competition, all the teams took active part, and I hope they might have gained a good experience. The organizing committee has worked round the clock to organize a transparent and a successful competition with the support of everyone. We are now in the valedictory ceremony of the competition, and at last, I would like to thank all the respected judges for judging the oral rounds and all the participants for your active participation. We will be back next year with the 4th edition of the competition. Thank you, everyone. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. I would now like to invite our esteemed guests for the ceremony. We are blessed to have Advocate Vivek Narayan Sharma, sir, as the guest of honor. Sir is an advocate on record, Supreme Court of India, and the Senior Counsel for Union of India and the Government of UP. Sir is also instrumental in advising and representing a number of PSUs and companies like NHPC, UP Power, Coal India, GMR, ERA Infra, etc. Sir is also an additional standing counsel for the New Delhi Municipal Council and standing counsel for NHAI. Sir is an honorary member of the Information Technology Committee, that is the IT cell, Bar Council of Delhi, and has remained the Joint Secretary, Supreme Court Advocates on Record Association from 2018 to 20. Sir is the President of Society for Criminal Justice and the founding National Advisor of Ladli Foundation, National Awardees Foundation of India, Social Responsibility Council, and others. Sir is advisor to the Indo-Canada Chamber de Commerce. Sir is also a columnist for Times of India, Economic Times, Bar and Bench, Live Law, and the author of the internationally famed book, Electionomics, published by the world's top publisher, Thomson Reuters. I would now request Advocate Mr. Vivek Narayan Sharma, sir, to address this virtual gathering. Sir, over to you.
Namaskar. A very warm thankful to the Advocates League. Warm regards to Honorable Mr. Justice Swatantra Kumar sir, my dear friend and younger brother Mr. Prashant Singh Atal, and Nitish, Ashish, Mahek, Shashwat, and all the team of Advocates League who have really worked remarkably even in the past and even today, even for this competition. So Justice DIPAK MISRA and Justice Swatantra Kumar have motivated millions of lawyers, and not only lawyers, even the public life. Being at the forte when Justice Swatantra Kumar sir was not only at Supreme Court, but being in Delhi High Court and also at the NGT. The entire working that he had at that time, it was phenomenal and totally inspiring. So I pay my regards to you for all the good work, sir, you have done and really motivated all of us. And there is a lot of learning for all of us, even in future. And Justice Deepak Mishra, of course, means he had written such wonderful judgments, constitution ban judgments, and then so many rights judgment, privacy judgment. So you would all be very happy to be participating in a competition which is in the name of Justice Deepak Mishra. So the patience, the legal acumen, and the judgments both the judges have passed are really inspiring. I am today really thankful to the organizers of this program to make me the part of the ceremony. And my dear friend Prashant has already enlightened the bar of Allahabad and Lucknow, and he had been very hardworking person. We had been in connect for very, very long time now. I think it must be 18 to 20 years. In some of the matters we have been worked together. So we have got a very motivating, the guest of honors and chief guest here. So even on behalf of Advocates League, I being patron of I most humbly welcome both of you, sir. So, to the students who have participated in this competition and who would be soon announced as winners and may not be winners, but the zeal of participation is very, very important. That's one part. Competitive learning enhances confidence, and also it develops the ability to research and develop the argument skills. So the reason why we organize so many different kinds of competitions at different levels in different colleges and all, it is very important that what we are developing today, the legal minds which are getting developed in the country, they should be reassuring for the people. They should be well prepared for presenting themselves before the public, because they should not be someone who are less prepared than the good counsels. So in the past, we had seen the phenomena at my time when I was doing law college. People were not pretty serious at that point in time. Even the legal fraternity was not serious. But now there has been sea change. So few things will distinguish even the coming lot of lawyers from among the masses. Those few things would be, of course, your preparation, how much you are prepared with regard to the matter that you are going to present in the court of law. With regard to your honesty, how much honest you are with the bench or with your colleague or with your client. All three limbs are very, very important. So preparation, honesty with all the stakeholders. Then third thing is your own accountability. Whether you are accountability when I say that you should be prepared in a particular manner. What is that manner? That manner is whatever best possible manner to prepare, you should be prepared. Means, if suppose you have a brief, then you should be thorough with the brief, with the facts, with the laws which are involved in the matter, with the judgments also, so that you could have a holistic view with regard to the matter you are going to present. So if you are any less prepared, then this is not honest. So there are various limbs that you have to develop, and I would pray that all of you have a bright future in coming time, those who have organized this program, those who have participated in the competition. And don't worry, there are always some winners, but those who are not winners are not losers. They are, in fact, the participants. They have won by way of their own account by participating in a competition. So there is nothing that you are going to lose today. You are always going to gain something, either be it a knowledge, be it the participating spirit, or be it working with the team, in conjunction with the team, how to develop the ideas. So there are various things. So I leave the floor to the organizers to invite other guests. Thank you so much for having invited me again.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspirational words and continued motivation for us. Next, we are also grateful to have Advocate Mr. Prashant Singh Atal, sir, as the guest of honor. Sir is the Chief Standing Counsel UP and the Co-Chairman Bar Council of UP. Sir has been a practicing advocate at the High Court of Allahabad, Lucknow bench since 2001. In addition to conducting pleadings, Sir has given written legal opinion in constitutional matters, criminal matters, matters relating to the Gangster Act, NSA, service law, labor laws, electricity laws, excise and custom-related matters, contractual obligations, and other suits. Sir has filed and argued in more than 10,000 writ petitions in the Allahabad High Court, Lucknow bench, and also appeared before the Honorable Supreme Court of India and Honorable High Courts. Sir is also appointed as the state convener of the legal cell of the Bharatiya Janata Party. I now request Advocate Mr. Prashant Singh Atal, sir, to address the virtual gathering.
नमस्कार। तृतीय जस्टिस दीपक मिश्रा इंटरनेशनल मूट कोर्ट कंपटीशन के सफल आयोजन की आयोजकों को बहुत बधाई। आज के कार्यक्रम के मुख्य अतिथि हम लोग के प्रेरणा स्रोत न्यायमूर्ति स्वतंत्र कुमार जी, हमारे बहुत पुराने मित्र, जैसा विवेक जी ने बताया हम लोग के बहुत प्रोफेशनल और व्यक्तिगत भी रिश्ते हैं 20 साल से, विवेक नारायण मिश्रा जी, और जिन्होंने बड़ी प्रेरणादायी आप लोगों को अभी उद्बोधन से सबको बताया है कि किस तरह से वो इस रास्ते में आगे बढ़ा जाए। कार्यक्रम के जो कन्वीनर हैं नीतीश कुमार मिश्रा जी, ये जिन्होंने हमको इनवाइट किया, आशीष कुमार राय जी, महक ओम सिंघानिया, सुना हम लोगों ने, रणित बनर्जी मुखर्जी, और सभी ऑर्गेनाइजर्स जितने हैं और जो लोग जुड़े हुए हैं सभी को मेरा अभिवादन और शुभ संध्या। जिन विषयों को कहा गया विवेक जी के द्वारा, उससे अपने आप को संयोजित और संबद्ध करता हुआ मैं आपका ध्यान कुछ अहम मुद्दों एवं प्रयोजनों की तरफ भी आकर्षित करने की आज्ञा चाहता हूँ। देखिए, वकालत की जानकारी, लॉ स्टूडेंट्स की जानकारी, हम लोग चूंकि बहुत फील्ड में रहते हैं और उत्तर प्रदेश के लगभग 4 लाख से सीधे कनेक्ट हैं, तो उनकी समस्याएं, उनकी जो प्रैक्टिकल दिक्कतें हैं उसको भी एहसास है हम लोगों को। जब हम लोगों ने पढ़ाई की लॉ की तो मूट कोर्ट उतना फैशन में नहीं था। वास्तव में बार काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया ने 81 में इसको इंट्रोड्यूस किया पहली बार, लेकिन ठीक से जो 90 के दशक के बाद ही ये चल पाया। लेकिन इसका काफ़ी प्रैक्टिकल लाभ है और महत्वपूर्ण ये नहीं है कि कौन कंपटीशन को जीतता है और कौन नहीं जीतता है, जैसा विवेक जी ने कहा। महत्वपूर्ण ये है कि इसमें प्रतिभाग लेना चाहिए और उससे आपको साहस मिले। मैं विधि के विद्यार्थियों से पूरे देश में जुड़ता रहता हूं, तो एक बात जरूर कहना चाहता हूं कि ये 150-140 करोड़ का देश है और इसमें अपार संभावनाएं विधि के क्षेत्र में हैं। लेकिन जो इधर हमने देखा कि जो हमारे पास इंटर्न आते हैं या बाकी कॉलेजेस से लोग हैं, एक अलग टाइप का मानसिकता बनती जा रही है कि हम किसी लॉ फर्म को ज्वाइन करेंगे या हम किसी कॉर्पोरेट को ज्वाइन करेंगे या दूसरे दिशा में जाएंगे। मेरा जुड़े हुए सारे विद्यार्थियों से निवेदन है कि लिटिगेशन में अपार संभावनाएं हैं, इससे आप लोग घबराइए मत और इस दिशा में जरूर जुड़िए और इससे आप वो अनलिमिटेड स्काई प्राप्त करेंगे जो कि और आपको मानसिक रूप से भी संतोष मिलेगा कि हम आम लोगों को, ऐसे लोग, ये देश ऐसा देश है जहां आज भी 80 करोड़ लोगों को फ्री राशन दिया जा रहा है, तो तमाम लोगों को न्याय सस्ता मिले, सुलभ मिले। एक जो अलग न्याय की विधा में काम करने वाले लोग हैं, जो चुनिंदा लोगों के बीच में काम करते हैं, उससे अलग एक बहुत बड़ी संख्या है जिनको न्याय की आवश्यकता है और न्याय के द्वारा आप समाज का, देश का बहुत व्यापक इस क्षेत्र में मदद कर सकते हैं। मैं आपको 1-2 बिंदुओं से इसलिए ध्यान आकर्षित करना चाहता हूं कि पूरी दुनिया में जब कोई बदल हुआ, जब कोई परिवर्तन हुआ, तो मैं इसलिए आपको प्रेरित कर रहा हूं कि लिटिगेशन के फील्ड में भी नए बच्चों को आना चाहिए, क्योंकि उससे अजीबोगरीब डर से लोग दूर भाग रहे हैं या इजी लाइफ के नाते दूर भाग रहे हैं। तो इसलिए मैं कहना चाहता हूं कि जब किसी ने भी बदल किया है तो अधिवक्ताओं ने बदल किया। आप 1962 की बात मैं कर रहा हूं, जेहासिनबर्ग की कचहरी में वकालत करते थे नेल्सन मंडेला। सारे लोग रंगभेद और आज़ादी के खिलाफ नहीं, गुलामी के खिलाफ नहीं बोल पा रहे थे, लेकिन नेल्सन मंडेला 1962 में रंगभेद के खिलाफ और उस देश की आज़ादी के खिलाफ जेल गए और जेल जाने के बाद 28 साल जेल रह के देश को आज़ादी दिलाई। यही नहीं, आप पीछे भी देखेंगे, चाहे 16वें राष्ट्रपति अमेरिका के अब्राहम लिंकन हो, चाहे 37वें राष्ट्रपति निक्सन हो, या अभी आप देखिए पड़ोस के देश में 2007 में भी यही हुआ। इफ्तिकार चौधरी चीफ जस्टिस को जो वहां हटा दिया गया, तो बिना किसी भूमिका के 80,000 अधिवक्ता सड़क पर आ गए और वहां लोकतंत्र को, परवेज मुशर्रफ को बहाल करना था। इसी देश में जब बरडोली का मूवमेंट हुआ तो किसानों का मूवमेंट था, लेकिन काज उठाने वाले सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल। जब इस देश में स्वतंत्रता के लिए स्वदेशी और स्वावलंबन की पहली बार आवाज उठी, तो आवाज उठाने वाले बाल गंगाधर तिलक थे, जो पेशे से अधिवक्ता थे। यही नहीं, आप और भी दिशा में देखेंगे, दोनों राउंड टेबल कंपटीशन, राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस में जब गए लोग, तो चाहे बाबा साहब भीमराव अंबेडकर हो, चाहे महात्मा गांधी हो, इस देश को लीड करने वाले हमेशा, चाहे फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट राजेंद्र बाबू की बात करें, चाहे बाकी लोग बात करें, आप जिधर देखेंगे तो अधिवक्ताओं ने पूरी दुनिया में बदल करने का काम किया है। मैं विधि के विद्यार्थियों के बीच में इसलिए इस बात को कहना चाहता हूँ कि मूट कोर्ट के द्वारा हम अपने स्किल को डेवलप करें, लेकिन एक जो बहुत बड़ा वर्ग है जिसको न्याय की आवश्यकता है, जिसको कई बार ऊंची कुर्सियों पर बैठे हुए लोग नहीं देख पा रहे हैं, उनको न्याय के लिए आप लोग, ये बहुत बड़ी संभावना का क्षेत्र है, इधर बहुत तेजी के साथ जुड़ना चाहिए और इसको आपको सेल्फ सेटिस्फेक्शन भी होगा कि हम सस्ता, सुलभ, अच्छा न्याय दिला पा रहे हैं। ये मैं आपको आज के अवसर पर जरूर कहना चाहता हूँ। विवेक जी की बातों से अपने आप को जोड़ता हुआ, जिन बातों को उन्होंने कहा वो तो ठीक है, उसके साथ मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ, जब आप कैरियर समाप्त करिए पढ़ाई का, तो कैरियर में जुड़िए, तो वकालत का भी एक कैरियर, आप अच्छे जज बने, कंपटीशन में जाएं, बाकी जगह भी जाएं, वो बात नहीं है, लेकिन इस ऑप्शन पर भी विचार करना चाहिए और गंभीरता से विचार करना चाहिए। और बाकी अध्ययन अध्यापन की जहां तक बात है, देखिए पराशर स्मृति में लिखा है कि ज्योतिषम व्यवहारम च प्रायश्चितम चिकित्सता अजानम यो नरो बुर्यात अपराधम की अंतःपर। ज्योतिषी, चिकित्सक और अधिवक्ता, इसको तो पढ़ा लिखा नहीं है अगर, तो ये सबसे बड़ा अपराध है। तो हमें अधिक से अधिक अध्ययन करना चाहिए और मूट कोर्ट में एक आपको चीजों का अनुभव हो जाता है, और जब आप प्रैक्टिकल कोर्ट में आते हैं तो हालांकि कुछ चैलेंजेस उसमें भी आपको दिखाई देंगे, लेकिन इससे काफी सरलता मिलती है, सहजता मिलती है। मैं बहुत मंगल कामनाएं देता हूं, आप जितने लोग जुड़े और जिन लोगों ने हमको इनवाइट किया, और बतौर बार काउंसिल उत्तर प्रदेश का मैं चेयरमैन भी रहा, सेक्रेटरी भी रहा, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट भी रहा और को चेयरमैन भी, तो मुझे लगता है कि वकालत के क्षेत्र में भी अपार संभावनाएं हैं और उसके द्वारा आप समाज में बेहतर कर सकते हैं। और बहुत लोगों को आवश्यकता है, क्योंकि एक वो वर्ग जो बड़े कॉलेजेस से पढ़ के आ रहे हैं और एक बहुत चुनिंदा लोग हैं। ये ऐसा देश है जहां करीब 1 अरब लोगों को न्याय की जरूरत है, उनको सस्ता न्याय मिले, सुलभ न्याय मिले, सरल न्याय मिले, और उनको एकदम वो अंधेरे में है तो आप टार्च की तरह, आप दिए की तरह उनको रोशनी दिखा सकते हैं। इसलिए अपार संभावनाएं हैं। मैं सबको मंगल कामना देता हूँ उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए। आप लोगों ने, आयोजकों ने इनवाइट किया, इसके लिए भी मैं आप लोग को साधुवाद देता हूँ। आज के कार्यक्रम के मुख्य अतिथि का मार्गदर्शन और पाथेय हम लोगों के लिए प्रेरणादायी होगा। और विवेक जी की बातों से अपने आप को संबद्ध करता हुआ इन पंक्तियों के साथ अपनी बात समाप्त करता हूँ कि जीवन का उद्देश्य नहीं है श्रांत भंवर में टिक रहना, किंतु पहुंचना उस मंजिल तक जिसके आगे राह नहीं, जिसके आगे नहीं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir, for your inspirational words and motivating the law students and future litigators. Thank you, sir. We are blessed to have His Lordship, Honorable Mr. Justice Swatendra Kumar, sir, as the chief guest. His Lordship is a former judge of Supreme Court of India and former chairperson of the National Green Tribunal. Lordship is also the former Chief Justice of the Bombay High Court and the judge of the Delhi High Court and Punjab and Haryana High Court. During his practice, His Lordship was a legal advisor, standing counsel to various government and non-government corporations and public bodies. His Lordship was also the legal advisor at the Central Board for Prevention and Control of Pollution. During his tenure, His Lordship was instrumental in delivering several landmark judgments, widening the horizons of the environmental jurisprudence in India. For his contribution as a legal luminary, His Lordship has been bestowed with 12 different awards, including the National Law Day Award, Lifetime Achievement Awards, International Human Rights Award, Bharat Jyoti Award, Distinguished Services Award by the Indian Medical Association, and awards by other national and international organizations. His Lordship has also been nominated as a member of the government governing body of the Global Judicial Institute for the Environment, which works under the UNEP, and has addressed various national and international conferences organized by the United Nations and various other national and international organizations. Post 2017, His Lordship has been involved in diverse activities relating to education, social, and international lectures in India and abroad. Sir, His Lordship has been nominated by parties and as well appointed by courts as sole arbitrator, presiding arbitrator of multiple member arbitral tribunal, and member of the multi-member arbitral tribunal. I now request His Honorable Lordship to address the gathering.
Good evening to all of you. There is a little echo, I think, here.
Sound is okay.
Can you hear me?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, Your Lordship.
We are hearing.
Thank you. My esteemed friends, Mr. Vivek Narayan Sharma, Advocate, Shri Prashant Singh Atu, Advocate, Mr. Nitesh Kumar Mishra, Mr. Rai, the other distinguished persons present, ladies and gentlemen. First and foremost, I would like to convey my sense of gratitude to the Advocates League for holding such an event at the international platform. Speaking of Justice Mishra first, as all of us know that he is the former Chief Justice of the largest democracy in the world, the person who was Judge of the Madhya Pradesh High Court, Chief Justice of Delhi High Court before being elevated to Supreme Court and being the Chief Justice of India. His contribution at all these levels has been immense. He has been a guide, mentor for a large number of not only judges but the advocates, educational institutions, a person who is academically very rich and his judgment speaks volume of his capabilities and diverse knowledge in the field of law. I had the privilege of being associated with him at different levels. He is not only a good judge, but he is also a great human being. His association with the President and the Advocates League itself is an example of his academic inclination and his considered thought for younger generation coming up in profession as well as in other fields. Just now we learned about the moot court that competition that has taken place, and you had various rounds. The final round was adjudged by distinguished judges, senior lawyers, and it's a matter of great compliment for the organizers to have organized such an event, which gives an opportunity to other countries also to participate in the academic aspects of our country. Well, the moot court, as Mr. my previous speakers also indicated, is a recent development in the academic arena of our country. It has a very significant contribution. Probably you can safely say that it has a dual contribution to the community at large. Participating in the moot court gives you an advantage to be professional. So that means it helps you and provide you an opportunity to practically argue the cases without being a lawyer. So it gives you the professional edge over other class of students who would be looking for such opportunity. Second is that it provides you with a sense of good competition. That is to say that the various participants who participate in the moot court do their best, but certainly they have no regrets at the end of the day of having not made the first team, because all teams obviously cannot win, and this fact is known to them right at the threshold. Having knowledge of this aspect and participate with a positive competition, it is called a fair sense of competition. So it adds a sportsman spirit to you. You become more acceptable to the situations and you like to do your best irrespective of the result. So that brings me to tell you that it is not necessary that you will win or you must be the first, the second, or the third team. What is more important is the sense of fair participation. Participation is what you have learned, participation is what will teach you, and the prize winning, of course, the people who are going to win or they have been declared as the winner definitely deserve a compliment. But at the same time, the people, the all students who have participated, they equally need to be complimented because without their participation, there would have been no first. To be first, you must have a number of people participating. So the essence of a competition is participation and fair participation. So I must compliment all the teams who have participated in this international competition. And obviously, I do compliment and congratulate the winners. Coming to the profession, this is a very noble profession. Advocate, if you really see the history of our country shows that the lawyers have played a very positive role in progress of our country, in framing the constitution, in making the country as one of the best countries in the world today. It is the contribution of this profession in diverse spheres of the society that has made us to realize that this profession has great value, have great goals to achieve. I would share with you a very small experience, and that is, I'm not sure how many of you would really know. Gandhiji was a very, very, you know, academically distinguished person, but it is presumed or it is said in a very different way that he was not a very successful lawyer. So he was not a very successful lawyer, not because he was not competent or he was not able to deal with the cases, but it was primarily because of his approach to the profession, because he wanted people to amicably settle their disputes and not to litigate unnecessarily, especially the family litigation and other litigation, he was he was very kind of requiring the people at the courts to encourage settlements and bring human irritation to the least. But then that doesn't go economically well in this profession because you create a case, fight cases, and then you sort of. So to cut the whole story short, is that when Gandhiji was asked these questions, that why do you always tilt in favor of a settlement or a compromise amicable between the parties rather than arguing cases, recording evidence and going on and on with the litigation. So he was very clear about it, and I definitely would like all of you to listen to what he had to say. So finally, he said that uh, it may be that because of my attitude of this positivity towards compromise led to the disliking of my opponents. Maybe I would have lost some client because of this. Maybe I lost the favor of the court on this. Maybe I lost in terms of money. But I'm sure at the end of the day, I did not lose my conscience. So, what he believed in was that the human consciousness is the ultimate aim of this profession, and you must be clear in your conscience whether you do one thing or the other. Even if you argue, you should be consciously convinced that this is required legitimate litigation as opposed to compromise. So just now expand the thought of Gandhiji, and we say, I'll tell you, you should have the 3H principle. You're a part of it, Mr. Vivek also hinted. So first is honesty. The first H stands for honesty. You must be upright and honest, whether you are a judge, you are a lawyer, you are a chamber practicing lawyer, or you are a corporate lawyer, but you must have honesty as one of your aims. Second H would stand for humbleness. You should never be rude, either to the opposite friend, to the court, to the litigants, and that's how Gandhiji also used to say it. How you speak to the people who are poor, who are lower in economic terms than you, how do you speak to them is your indicator of your personality positivity. So humbleness is other essential. The third is, which is most important, is the hard work. In this profession, if you have to do the hard work, then alone you will be able to progress, you will be able to achieve your aims, and maybe, at the outset, you do get frustrated in the beginning years of your profession that, look, I've been in the profession for 3 years, I am making lakhs. There is this other senior lawyer who makes lakhs a day. So that you a sense. But let frustration not take better of you. You should always be little patient and be sure if you will follow the three principle later, sooner, or maybe little more later, the money will follow you. You don't have to follow the money. That is the charm of this profession. So it is very, very important for us to become. Lastly, the service to the society is the very foundation and object of this profession. In other words, you would be serving the society. See how much freedom this profession gives you. You want to do a poor man case free of cost? What you can do? Who stops you? You want to charge, you got a good rich client, you want to charge him handsome money, please go ahead. So it is out of your own wish and will that you would always have a discretion to be very service to the society. See, the lawyers, especially the practicing lawyer, is a link between the administration of justice and society. They are part of that huge chain of administration of justice which the lawyers will perform, because the people who come to you for litigating, they will believe what you say. If you say our system is good, our justice are good, he will believe it. If you say something very different, the litigant will definitely will to believe that there is negativity in our profession. So it is a very important link between the society and the administration of justice, that all people should get together and serve the society. So you serve the society by advancing the cause of society. That means when you argue a matter, you will keep your social norms in mind, the social discipline in mind, and you will project, as you know, for any arguments, the legislative intent is important. But at the same time, the effect of the social views, ultimately every law is generated from the views of the society. So if you are able to take and put forward before the court the real temper of the society, it would be of great help. So you can serve a poor person, you can advance the social values, you can advance the social norms, and you can bring out orders like you used to know the concept of PIM. In PIM, what you are doing, primarily you are trying to serve the society. Whether it is environment, whether it is inconvenience, whether it is, air pollution or other needs of the society, poor people who are not able to get the food. You're trying to bring out certain directions for healthcare. So this profession gives you a very patent opportunity to serve the society professionally, humanly, economically, and socially. I wish every student participating in this conference and in this competition the best of luck, and the winners, congratulations, but participants, great congratulations and compliment. God bless all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Your Lordship, for your motivating words and inspiring the legal fraternity towards the guiding principles of honesty, humbleness, and hard work. It was indeed a privilege for us. I would now request Advocate Mr. Aman Kumar, voting administrator of the 3rd Justice Deepak Mishra International Moot Court Competition, to announce the results. Sir? Sir, you are not audible. You are on mute.
Yeah, sorry. Thank you. Now, as we know, we are at the end of the competition. We will be beginning with the announcement of the results. So, first of all, thank you all the teams for participating in this competition and making it as a successful event. So now we'll be proceeding. As you all know, there are two categories in which first the prizes have been distributed. First of all, there will be the best researcher and the second best researcher, and the speakers and the second best researcher, second best speakers. So first, moving with the just a minute. First, moving on with the best memorial award, the best researcher award. This goes to the team code JDMC 3165 to Miss Anjana K. She's from KLE Society's Law School, Bangalore. Congratulations, Anjana. Is anyone from JDMC 3165 attending the meeting? It is requested to all the participants, the teams, in case the participants, teams, and the other members are here in the meeting, kindly raise your hand or switch on the video and then kindly mark your presence. It would be grateful for us. And then next, moving on to the second best researcher award, it goes to team code JDMC 3465 to Mr. Aniket Biswas to XIM University, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Congratulations.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They are from team. I am the
Congratulations to the team.
Yes,
And now moving on to the memorial part. The best memorial goes to the team code JDMC 3015. The team is Symbiosis Law School, Pune, and the team consists of Tresha Thomas Alex, Adrija Ghosh, and Arya Ajit Mare. Congratulations to the team. Is the team here?
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, congratulations, guys.
Thank you.
Moving on to the second best memorial. Second best memorial goes to JDMC 3165, KLE Societies Law School, Bangalore. Again, the team consists of Miss Rakhi R, second speaker Miss Varshita, and researcher is Miss Anjana. Is the team here?
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, congratulations, team. Moving on to the next part, the best speaker. The best speaker goes to team code JDMC 3091, Mr. Samagra Pandey. He's from Dr. Manohar, RMNLU, Lucknow. Is anyone from the team here?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, team. The second best speaker goes to JDMC 3031, Miss J. Gauri from Symbiosis Law School, Hyderabad. So congratulations to Miss J. Gauri. Now moving on to the most important part, the winners and the runners-ups of the competition. We have the winner. There were two teams in finals. Finalists were KLE Society Law School, Bangalore, and Army Institute of Law, Mohali. So the winner of the third Justice Deepak Mishra International Moot Court competition goes to Army Institute of Mohali. The team consists of Speaker 1, Avantika Sharan, Speaker 2, Khushi Latwal, and the researcher Nidhi Yadav. Lot of congratulations to you guys.
Thank you.
Congratulations on your win. And the runner-up team is KLE Societies Law School, Bangalore, and the team consists of Rakia, Varsista, and Anjana. Congratulations to you as well, guys. Best of luck.
Thank you, sir.
And thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, sir. Congratulations to the winners and the participants too. I now request Mr. Ashish Kumar Rai, President of the Advocates League, to give vote of
Thank you. Congratulations to the winner. A warm and cherished evening to our most valued Honorable Chief Guest, Honorable Mr. Justice Swatantra Kumar Sir, former Judge Supreme Court of India, our guest of honor, Advocate Prashant Singh Atal Sir, Chief Standing Counsel, Uttar Pradesh and Co-Chairman, Bar Council of Uttar Pradesh, our Patron-in-Chief, Advocate Vivek Narayan Sharma Sir, Senior Counsel, Union of India, the participants, members of the organizing committee, members of the executive committee. I deem it a great honor to propose a vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of those who worked hard to make this annual flagship event of our organization a resounding success. On behalf of the Advocates League, I give a heartfelt vote of thanks to Honorable Chief Guest, Honorable Mr. Justice Swatantra Kumar Sir, who spent his busiest time gracing the occasion. Today we had the opportunity to hear your thoughts, and this is encouraging us in our future events, Your Lordship. Your thoughts and insights have enlightened us, our minds, and shown us a new path. I also extend my sincere thanks to Advocate Prashant Singh Atal Sir for sharing his valuable insights and experiences and gracing this occasion. I thank you for your dedication and unique intellectual support and motivation throughout the event. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Our Patron-in-Chief, our mentor, guardian, Advocate Vivek Narayan Sharma Sir, for adorning this occasion and sharing your opinions today. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Every special moment ends, and this occasion is no exception. Respected dignitaries, esteemed guests, participants, ladies and gentlemen. An event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling months ago. It required planning and a bird's eye for detail. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated colleagues from India, Sri Lanka, and Nepal, who have contributed heavily to this success and have unmatched dedication and commitment. I cannot thank everyone enough for their involvement and their willingness to take on the completion of tasks beyond their comfort zone. My sincere thanks to the organizing committee, Advocate Aman Kumar sir, mooting administrator, Advocate Nitish Kumar Misra sir, managing administrator, Miss Vahak Madmani ma'am, the one of the strongest pillar of this organization and executive coordinator of this function, Mr. Om Singhania, he is also one of the strongest pillar of this organization and the organizing secretary of this competition, Advocate Ranit Mukherjee, joint organizing secretary, Mr. Abhishek, coordinator, Mr. Sani, coordinator, Mr. Abhinav Gupta, Vice President, Mr. Saket Verma, Managing Director, Ms. Anusha, Mr. Saswat, all the interns, OSD, committee members, and every member who contributed to this event from its inception till today. I am grateful for your contribution and persistence. On a closing note, I would like to quote Roosevelt: "The only man who makes no mistake is the man who does nothing." Thank you, Lordship. Thank you, all the guests. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. The participants are duly informed that the score sheets can be obtained by mailing the organizing committee after 21 days. Further, the certificates and awards will be given after 14 days. I now request everyone to rise up for the national anthem.
गणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Thank you so much, everyone, for joining this ceremony. Have a great day.